What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem on your system. The app keeps trying to open your application and it keeps saying these apps cannot run on your PC. I've had this issue and I was able to solve it finally. Let me show you what I did. Let's close this. So I figured out what the problem was my Windows Defender. So what I did was to switch it off. Let me show you how they did that. So let's do it right now. So we go Windows. So this is it right here. So we're going to open it up. Okay, so right now it looks a bit different from the last time when I switched it off. But I don't want to switch it back on because I don't want it to ruin my applications that I've downloaded on my system. So what you need to do is find a way to switch it off. Once you switch it off, re-download your applications, because the applications on your laptop seriously have been damaged and you can't get them back. So what you need to do is re-download them back again. Once you re-download it, it's going to work. This is going to work. This has a 95% chance of working. I'm giving you, because I had these issues and this is how I was able to solve it. So find a way to switch off your Windows Defender. Once it's switched off, then re-download the application. You can't use the one you have on your system. Delete those ones and re-download a new one. Thanks for watching. If this was able to help you, please subscribe and like for more. Bye.